Yo, what's up? Today we're gonna be talking about something a little different. Um, we're gonna be seeing how geometry dash difficulties compare to EToH difficulties. So we're gonna pull some stuff up. Just give me a minute. All right. So as y'all may know, these are the difficulties. So for example, my theory is like that. Easy should be equal to easy in EToH, right? And normal should be equal to medium, hard equal to hard, harder equal to difficult, insane equal to challenging, easy demon equal to intense, medium demon equal to remorseless, hard demon insane, insane demon extreme, and extreme demon terrifying plus. So we got that out of the way. But since there are no more difficulties after extreme demon, how are we going to be more specific? But I think I came out with a solution. So just give me a minute to pull it up. This is the geometry dash demon ladder. This, okay, so basically this is basically, okay, I don't know where it says this because, okay, it says right here. This project divides all demons into 39 tiers. So for example, wait, okay, so now we're gonna like be seeing like, for example, the exact difficulty, um, each le level would be. So, as you see right here, this is tier 3, which would be 2.82. So basically, 5 is where it ends. Think of it like EToH. So this is like, um, intense, so 6 point something. So what you want to do is grab this and divide it by 5. So this is just one example. So yeah, in conclusion, in EToH terms, it club step would be this. Now let's look up let's see how hard some top ones or recent top ones have been. The oldest top one I can really think of in my mind is Cataclysm. Oh, and before anything else, with medium demons, like put down an example for medium. This is 5.81, so just put 0.81 divided by divided by 5, and it would be 7.16. Basically remorseless, right? Alright. And the same thing for each difficulty. So like for hard demon, it starts at the decimal starts at 10, and insane demon 15, and I have way too many tabs open. And extreme demon, wait, hold on. Alright, let's see. Let's see an extreme demon. So this is tier 20 or decimal 20, I guess. Let's look up the oldest top one I can think of, which would be Cataclysm. So this is tier 21. And since what we're gonna do, since even though at tier 26 a new difficulty doesn't start, obviously, because Extreme Demon is last difficulty, we're still gonna, since tier 21 or Extreme Demon starts at Terrifying, we're gonna tier 26 plus would be kata until tier 31, which would be horrific. Then 36 would be unreal. So for example, cataclysm is tier 21 and the decimal is okay 0.91. So what you want to do is okay, we can just do this to get the decimal, and this would be 10.18. This would be the exact EToH difficulty of cataclysm. Let's do the another top one that happened after cataclysm, which is a little harder. Bloodbath. So this is 2.99, or yeah, divided by 5, which would be, so yeah, this would be 10.59, which is like mid or mid-high terrifying for Bloodbath. I could be wrong, but Sonic Wave, I'm pretty sure, was also top 1 at some point, so let's see how hard this is. And wow, look at that. It's tier 30. So basically, okay, divided by, so this is basically Kata, which is 11.97. So Sonic Wave is basically peak Kata. Another one I can think of, Bloodlust, which is, okay, we got the decimal. I'm actually starting to lose track, just give me a second. Never mind, I was overthinking. So Bloodlust would be 1.98 divided by 5. So Bloodlust is this in EToH terms. But now, what about Zodiac? And that would just be, so Zodiac would be 12.80 in EToH terms, which is high horrific. Probably a little above GeoEV difficulty. Yep. Now we're moving up to Slaughterhouse. Let's see how hard that would be. And I guess this is a lot of filler shit in this video. I will actually tell y'all how this works after. But, Slaughterhouse is... Who made this, bro? Is this like a Nerf version? I'll see you later. Alright, now, look. 37.89. So this is 2.89 divided by 5. Bro. I did not think Slaughterhouse was that hard. I thought it was like Tower of Local Core difficulty. Apparently I'm fucking wrong. This is the fucking difficulty of Slaughterhouse. Okay, let's see if it, maybe this is the point where it stops being accurate. That could be right, but let's move down to Avernus. Now look, this would literally be 13.8. Alright, but anyways, if y'all want to try out what I did before, so basically, Let me see the easiest way to explain this. So basically, the easiest demons start at 0 point something, but then it goes, when it comes to decimals, it goes all the way up to 5, but then it goes to medium demons. So then what you want to do is get the exact number, get a calculator, know that easy demon is intense, get a calculator, divide it by 5, and then that will be it. Since intense is 6 point something, you divide the decimal by 5, or the whole number by 5, depending on how big it is, and then then it would be 6 point whatever is your answer. Once you divide this by 5 or whatever level you're ranking, divide by 5, and there you go. And it's, for example, a medium demon. Oops, my bad. A medium demon starts at 5. Just divide whatever decimal or number it is by 5, and then that will be your answer. And so on until maybe the point we're at 35, which it might stop being accurate. I'm not sure, but yeah. Anyways, I hope this video could help somebody out there. And if you did find it helpful, maybe try sharing the video with someone. And make sure to like and subscribe only if you want to. And yeah, like if you find the video helpful, you can like share it with someone else. Maybe they can even find it helpful, and then they'll share it with more people. And then hey, maybe I'll be helping a lot of people. But until then, uh, have a good day, guys. Bye. We really need a solution on ranking Geometry Dash to EToH players and comparing them to, because I feel like that will be necessary in the future. But until then, I can only hope that this video gets enough views. So, yeah.